Hi friends, I'm Melanie from melaniecooks.com, and today I will be making breaded chicken cutlets in the air fryer. For this recipe, we need chicken cutlets, breadcrumbs, egg, and seasonings. I will use salt, pepper, and garlic powder, or you can use the seasonings of your choice. And we also need a non-stick cooking spray so the chicken cutlets don't stick to the air fryer. As an alternative to spray, you can also use olive oil or vegetable oil. So first, let me put breadcrumbs on the plate for dipping the chicken. And next I'm going to whisk the egg in a bowl. And now I'm going to spray the air fryer basket with a non-stick cooking spray. And as an alternative, you can also brush it with olive oil or vegetable oil. So now, once you prepare the ingredients, I'm going to season the chicken. So let me sprinkle it with my seasonings, which is salt, pepper, and garlic powder. And now I will flip it over and season the other side. So now once I've seasoned the chicken, I'm going to dip it in egg and breadcrumbs and then put it in the air fryer. So we just need as many chicken cutlets as fit in the air fryer in a single layer. That's why I'm only using 2. If you want to cook more, you'll have to cook them in batches. So I'm going to dip this in egg and then breadcrumbs. So just keep dipping to make sure the breadcrumbs stick to the chicken all over. And now put it in the air fryer basket. And repeat this step with the other chicken cutlet. So let's put the second breaded chicken cutlet in the air fryer. So they need to be in a single layer so they're not touching. And now I will put the basket in the air fryer. And I'm going to set the temperature to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. And I will set the time to 10 minutes. Now my chicken cutlets are very thin, so that's why I used the time of 10 minutes. If yours are thicker, then use 15 minutes. Now halfway through cooking time, let's take out the air fryer basket and flip the chicken cutlets over. And put it back in the air fryer and let it finish cooking. Now the air fryer is done cooking, so let's take a look at the breaded chicken cutlets. Look at that, perfectly cooked, so brown and crispy, and you didn't have to fry them. This is healthy. Air fryer cooked it to perfection. Now to make sure they're cooked through, you can use an instant read thermometer. Just make sure the internal temperature is at least 165 degrees Fahrenheit. And if it's not well cooked, you can always put it back in the air fryer at 400 degrees for an additional few minutes until it's cooked to perfection. Mine is perfectly cooked, so I'm going to remove the chicken cutlets from the air fryer on my plate. Brown crispy breading, that looks amazing. I'm so excited about trying it. Now let's try it. So tender. This looks so good. I'm so excited about trying it. It tastes amazing. Perfectly crispy breading, and inside is so juicy and tender. These are perfect breaded chicken cutlets. You're going to love making them in the air fryer. For a free printable recipe and other easy air fryer recipes, please visit my website, melaniecooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!